Hi everyone, welcome back to our Sheetcam tutorials. Today we'll discuss about these three colors. When you open the Sheetcam in your computer, you will have these three colors in the display. The light gray color shows the total size of the bed of your CNC machine. This dark gray color shows the size of the bed on which your tool can move, or you can simply says your minimum and maximum distance between the tool is covered in this bounding box of this dark gray color, and the red or this light brown or brown color bounding box shows the your material or the sheet size. Okay, how can we change these sizes to make best use of these bounding boxes? Okay, if we go to the options, we will have machine. Go to this machine. You will see here there is written as in the menu bars table display. So initially it is set as 500 millimeter. If my CNC bed is almost 5 feet by 10 feet. Okay, now if you zoom out, you will know that this light gray color shows the bed of my machine. This is 5 feet by 5 feet by 10 feet. Okay, now I am telling Sheetcam to the working envelope, the size of the limit of my cutting tool positions. So x-axis I can cut only here 48 inches, 4 feet by 8 feet or almost 8.5 feet. (4.5 feet by 8.5 feet). So 4.5 feet is 54 inches and 8.5 feet is 102 inches. Select OK. Okay, now you see my CNC bed is showing by this light gray. This is 5 feet by 10 feet. The working envelope is my 4.5 feet by 8.5 feet. My tool can move 4.5 feet in the X direction and 8.5 feet in the Y direction. Okay, now I will change my material size. Job options. If you go to options and then select job options, here is the material. So my material size, I usually use 48 inches or 4 feet by 8 feet sizes. So I am selecting it as OK. Now you can see here, these three bounding boxes are at my actual. This is the actual CNC bed. This is the actual area in which my tool can move, and this is the actual area in which my sheet is placed. So if you see here, there is 20 mm gap on my working envelope and my my sheet and the table display. This light gray is the table display and this brown is the sheet. Why? Because table is is 20 mm, have 20 mm CNC bed size is in this left direction of the x-axis more than the my tool can start cut from here, but it cannot go to this this area. So that's why my sheet is 20 mm offset in the X and Y direction. How can you do it? Here is in the options and job options. It shows here 20 mm in the X direction and 20 mm in the Y direction. Give the offset to my sheet. This is the origin of my sheet at the left bottom from 20 mm from the CNC bed on the x-axis and 20 mm on the y-axis. So that's it for today. We learned about how to set the size of the sheet, origin of the sheet, the working display, and the table display of our CNC machine on the Sheetcam. It will be useful when you place the parts here. You will get to know about if you are doing nested parts, or you have multiple parts on one sheet, you will know how to place there, or how much you can place the parts on these edges. So surely you don't have the limit to place the parts in this light gray area, because this is outside their working envelope. The tool cannot cut in this area. Okay, so we will come back with the next video on a different topic. If you have any question, let me know, that I will answer as much as possible. Thank you.